Hello, this is Nindy Kerr and welcome to another video from Nindy's Creative Corner. Today we'll be using watercolor pencils from Stampin' Up! 13 come in this package, and there's another assortment that has 10 colors. And we'll also be using this blender pen, not to be confused with the blends markers. This has clear tips and is used to blend colors. So let's get started. We'll be using this large bird from the Free as a Bird stamp set and Memento black ink. We'll let it dry for a tinge, help it along. Then we will color with our markers. Our watercolor pencils. This one's Early Espresso and this one is Pacific Point. Now for this, if you want it shaded, you just color darker. And I'm just doing it along all those places where the stamp has suggested coloring. Then we will color its head. I guess I forgot the orange one. Well, I've got the pens in here so we can do its little beak. And then we will do some watercolor pencils. The Pacific Point pencil. Now you will want a scratch paper to clean off your tip in between colors. So we'll just color with the Early Espresso. Clean off our tip until you can't see any of the brown. Oh, I guess I forgot to color in the center of our bird. And there we go, quick and easy. So the instructions for the completed card will be on the blog post. So thank you for watching and see you next Friday. Bye.